Catering at Christmas time can be a bit of a mind duck, but it doesn't have to be with the range of Luv-a-Duck's Heat and Eat. This is their duck à l'orange legs. It's already cooked. All we have to do is pop it in the oven, 10-12 minutes, and we're ready to rock and roll. While they're cooking away, we will make a salad with our rocket leaves. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil, give that a gentle toss together. Now I want to segment a couple of oranges. I love oranges in salad, just has such a great citrusy zing. Next, we've got fennel. Cut the tops off, and then we just want to get some nice thin slices. Then I want to get some of this shaved fennel all over our salad. Next, I've got a fresh pomegranate. This is gonna add a burst of red color. Then I've got some walnuts that I've just roasted in the pan for a couple of minutes. Then some goat's cheese. Just a nice drizzle of our balsamic glaze and a little more of a drizzle of the olive oil. Our à l'orange duck legs have just come out of the oven. They look amazing. Had some of these beautiful fennel fronds. I do not want to waste those. So a little bit of garnish over the top. If you give a duck about your duck, you need to try this dish this Christmas. It will be an absolute hit.